Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Speaking of recalls, you're getting up there in mileage, aren't you, Finn?
All right, we get it. We both know each other.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
Luigi, Guido, che bello rivedervi! Bentornati!
Good. Little more. All right.
You didn't know you had!
Yo, I've never been off-road!
Well, that's gonna change right now! Hello!
Here we go, everyone! Port attention! Express coming through! James, stop!
Sweet taste of my homemade organic fuel.
No, doesn't agree with my tank.
We're just trying.
An independent panel of scientists has determined that all in all is completely safe, okay? Safe.
Yeah, come on, let's get a picture. You know what? Get a ton of pictures because Champ here has been a role model of mine.
Het is een gloeiende bol van fel blauw schijnend licht dat rondwaait in ons dorp.
I miss you, Stanley. You sure knew how to treat a girl. Oh, by the way, I never...
What's going on? That's what I...
Here it is, Dozo. Come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Right this way.
Season points lead, heading into the final race of the season. And the winner of this race, Darryl, will win the season.
Correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente. Y fuera.
To Rusty Tails down here. I created a drink in your honor. Yeah, the Rusty's medicated bumper.
Speed? San Francesco is triple speed. Francesco is
Looks like we got some work to do.
It does
there with nothing. I dared that.
What?
That's right.
Well, you know, race cars don't need headlights because the track is always lit.
That was so...
Alright, if you can drive as good as you can fix the road, then you can win this race with your eyes.
Ven aquí. Sí, qué gran tractor. No, 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 no. Ven acá, tractor.
I made that Sterling fella a Texas-sized offer.
So, ready.
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
He's got the horsepower. So what do you want him to do?
Fix the road!
Because we are a town.
Let me go!
You actually care about that race car. A pity you didn't warn him in time.